Howdy, this is David Groce, your Texas tax and lawman, and we're back talking about the new 2021 tax laws. And today, let's focus on the payroll tax credits for small businesses. In 2020, the CARES Act created several programs to help business owners pay their employees. Let's look at 4 programs that were extended under the CAA. The first, Employment Retention Credit. The original law allowed employers to receive a credit of 50% of the wages up to $10,000 per employee for a maximum credit of $5,000 per employee. The extension provides a few key enhancements. The ERC is increased from 50% to 70% of the employee's qualified wages. It expands the credit by lowering the threshold from a 50% drop in gross receipts to a 20% drop. And it allows a credit on $10,000 of wages per quarter instead of just per year. And it expands the credit to larger employers, new employers, and some public instrumentalities. Second, the payroll tax deferral. In 2019, the Secretary of the Treasury allowed employers to defer their half, 6.2%, of the Social Security tax paid from September to December of 2020. The CAA continues this payroll tax deferral through year-end 2021. This applies to wages that are less than $4,000 per employee per biweekly payroll period. We would caution that this is only a deferral. If the business owner defers the tax but cannot ultimately pay it, that employer could still be held personally liable and accountable for the failure to pay payroll taxes. So, unless you really believe your business is going to recover and you can repay this amount, then take it. Otherwise, do not use this provision. You're better off letting your employees go and making the hard changes now. Third, paid family sick leave. The CAA provided employers a tax credit for paid family leave through March 31st, 2021. For generous employers, this is a way to help them manage those costs. You claim this on your first quarter Form 941 due April 30th. Student loan payments. Another provision lets employers pay and deduct up to $5,250 of an employee's student loans without the payment being taxable to the employee. This is a nice extra incentive that business owners can use to attract and maintain recent college graduates. These taxes are like Rocky doing push-ups and bag work. No one thing will win the fight, but every little bit helps and gives the American small business owner an edge to stay in the fight and continue their business. Hey, if you're enjoying these videos, click like or send to a friend. Until next time, adios. Texas tax and lawman legal disclaimer. Hey, I'm a lawyer. You know I have to have some lawyer mumbo jumbo. This is a general information video, not client attorney privilege information. The content is information only and is not directed to any specific facts or circumstances and cannot be relied upon as a legal opinion, even though that would be nice and save you a trip to the lawyer. If you have a specific legal question, feel free to contact David Groce directly or seek qualified legal or tax counsel in your state of residence, state of mind, or whatever place you call home.